You have an investment portfolio and you borrowed the money from your line of credit or took a loan from bank for this purpose. You are paying interest on these borrowings. You want to claim this interest payment in your tax return. How TaxTron Web will help you to claim these interest fee. In deduction profile, you will have investment profile. And in investment profile, you will answer the first question. Are you claiming investment expenses? You will click yes and then click next. In this carrying charges and interest expense profile, you will answer the second question. Did you pay interest on money borrowed for investment purpose? Click yes. Here you will enter the bank name from where you took the loan or the bank name where your line of credit is. And here you will enter the interest you paid during the year for your borrowing, which you invest in your portfolio. That's how you can claim that interest expenses in your income tax return.